Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am all dressed up. I wanted to make a very chill and relaxing video for today. What's better than going back to our very old photography videos? You guys love watching them and I love making them for you guys. So for today, I thought of making how you can click your own selfies more professionally, like self-portraits. Also about today's outfit, this top, oh my god, just look at it. I love it so much. I didn't get it from any online store. ये मैंने एक offline store से लिया है called Incense from Kamla Nagar, Delhi. I live in Delhi, so yeah. And ये उनका free size है. Like this is not extra small or small. This is their free size. I just love it. Let me know if you guys want to see a haul. I generally don't do offline hauls because सब दिल्ली से नहीं है, but if you want to see I can make one. Just let me know. I'll be clicking photos from my iPhone, but it doesn't matter because you can click those pictures from any mobile phone, any Android phone or any device. Because इससे पहले मैंने जितनी भी अपनी photos ली है वो सारी Android phone से ही ली है, so it really doesn't matter. So what are we waiting for? चलो. So guys, usually जब भी हम selfies लेते हैं, the basic problem which we face is we always take selfies like this. तो हमारा जो एक ये hand होता है ना, जो arm होता है, वो पूरा बहुत ही elongated लगता है and looks weird in photos, especially when you're trying to take something creative and something professional. So to solve that problem and to click my photos more of as self-portrait, what I did was I took help of fake plants. So basically मैंने front camera वाली side पे ना जो ये pink flowers है इनको लाने की कोशिश करी है lens में, so that it looks more creative and elegant and aesthetic. And you can do this with any of the fake plants or any colorful thing which you have at your home. Also guys, if these kind of things are way too big for your hand and थोड़ा सा uncomfortability हो रही है, you can use छोटा सा piece of colorful chart paper or rose petal or anything, छोटी सी colorful चीज़, and उसको तुम थोड़ा लेंस के पास लगा के you just be more creative automatically. ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है and your photos will look so professional and so creative. And as you can see, जो मेरा आर्म वाला प्रॉब्लम था वो फिक्स हो चुका है. इट्स नो लॉन्गर विजिबल एंड ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी और ने मेरी फोटो ली है जबकि ये एक सेल्फी है. आई मीन इट लुक्स सो एस्थेटिक, राइट? Guys, next photo is my the most favorite one to shoot ever. That is sky photos. तो दिल्ली में ना अभी मॉनसून एंड सनी सीजन हो रहा है, तो उसमें मुझे सन भी मिलती है और बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर बादल भी मिलते हैं स्काई में, तो मुझे बहुत ही मजा आता है स्काई फोटोज लेने में. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ फोटो शूट इज परफेक्ट फॉर पीपल हु आर अ बिट शाय और हु जस्ट लव टेकिंग फोटोज विद स्काई. आई मीन व्हाई नॉट? आई मीन मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो इस वाली फोटो को लेने के लिए मैंने ट्राईपॉड की हेल्प ली है, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज DIY योर ओन ट्राईपॉड. तो बेसिकली तुम क्या कर सकते हो, शू बॉक्सेस को एक के ऊपर एक रख के यू कैन जस्ट होल्ड योर फोन एंड ट्राई करना कि लोअर एंगल लो ताकि ऊपर वाला शॉट आए, ताकि स्काई आए. ऑब्वियसली दैट्स द बेसिक पॉइंट ऑफ दिस होल फोटोशूट. So I always take my photos with self timer and you can do the same, or you can record your own videos and उसमें से screenshot ले लो अपने favorite part को and that's your new photo ready. And this is the photo I got. Oh my god, I love it so much. वो ऊपर line दिख रही है जो ऐसे सीधी जा रही है, वो खुद ही आ गई and I'm like yes, मेरी favorite photo, मैं इसी को select करूँगी. And I just love it so much. It looks so effortless and so easy going. मतलब देख के ही लगता है it's such a nice vibe happening and I just love these kind of photos. Also guys, मैं अपने सारे tripods and devices and even how I edit my photos and videos मैं सब कुछ description में link कर दूँगी, so do not forget to check that out. Next up, I'm trying to play with shapes. For example, if you're uncomfortable with posing, but if you have some other element going on in your photo, it just automatically takes the whole attention away and you become more comfortable. So that's the point going on here. So I had Jenga at home which my brother gifted me on Raksha Bandhan. So I just took advantage of that. I just built it and उसका square shape पे उसके अंदर से I tried to click my own photo, but the options are just endless with you around. For example, you can use chair, you can use your earrings, or you can use any shape, cardboard boxes and so many other things. And थोड़ा सा symmetry आता है उसमें तुम्हारी photos में and looks more, you know, clean and edgy and a bit more professional. So why not? And this is what I got. First of all, I'm just loving how my makeup is going on with the wooden texture of it. plus point. Also, look at me, I'm just lying around like I have no work to do, but actually में दिखने में जितना ये effortless लग रहा है ना उतना होता नहीं है, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा दर्द होता है जब तुम ऐसे फ्लोर पे लेटे होते हैं ना. But anyway, I'm just loving the whole vibe of it. Let me know how are you guys liking the photos so far. Also, pro tip for posing would be that you do not have to be so hard on yourself while posing. The main thing is just be comfortable with yourself, with camera in front of you. I mean, the whole thing is that you should be looking natural and comfortable in your photos, and just keep practicing until you're comfortable. You do not have to post it immediately like तुमने photo लिया and you just have to post it on social media. No, just keep practicing privately and then you can create a style of your own. Next, I try to take top angle photos. Now if you're comfortable you can take that angle, but trust me, एक बार try करके ज़रूर देखना, because बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्त photos आती हैं. And even professional photographers try to take photos from that angle and बहुत ही ऐसे उम्दा photos निकल के आती है. Now you can take help of a tripod like always, but you can always take help of a table like this. तुम उसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे place कर दो half and half में, and you can just record a video and later you can just take a screenshot out of the pose which is your favorite and your photo is just ready. Okay, so what I try to do is I'm just sleeping with my hands all over me, you know, so posy, so fancy, but you can just be yourself. You do not have to do the exact same thing, just do whatever you are comfortable in. This is just my style, so I'm a bit comfortable this way, and ये मैंने धीरे धीरे slowly डिस्कवर किया है, निकाला है अपने आप को यहाँ से. So yeah, that's just my thing, and just be comfortable and थोड़ा सा creative too. And one more final reminder that all my photo editing videos or video editing videos and all the equipment links or my old photography videos, everything is linked in description box down below. Just check करो एक बार, everything is there already. Guys, that is it for today's video. कैसी लगी वीडियो बताओ मुझे comment section में, मुझे जानना है. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video or learn few hacks and tips and tricks, make sure to let me know and subscribe, because I keep making these kind of fun videos on my channel. And like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.